I'm making this video because I had problems connecting my Feiyu G6Max to my GoPro Hero 7 Black. After receiving a video from the manufacturer, I was able to successfully pair the two devices. Hopefully this video will help you if you are also having problems. The first thing that I did wrong was to pair my gimbal with my home Wi-Fi network instead of the Wi-Fi network on my Hero 7. So the first thing that I needed to do was clear that improper network off the gimbal. Power the gimbal on. And then 6 times in very rapid succession, hit the trigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you'll watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it says clean Wi-Fi. So I'm going to take the joystick, click it to the right, and it says success. So that has removed any Wi-Fi settings that were in the gimbal. Next, I need to set up the Wi-Fi in my GoPro correctly. Go into Preferences, Connections, all the way down to the bottom, Reset Connections. All right, now go back in, go back to Preferences, back to Connections. One of the important things is that your Wi-Fi band be set for 2.4 gigahertz. All right, now that we've done that, it says wireless connections are off. We need to turn those on. Wireless connections are now on. And we're going to connect a new device. And we're going to connect, even though it's not actually the GoPro app, what we're going to connect is GoPro app. Okay, so now that you've got that going, you go into your Feiyu app, not your GoPro app. And your Feiyu app will find so let's stop that. Motor strength. Self-adapt. That'll stop that shaking there. It is not connected. So you go GoPro Hero 7 Black, and it's going to go here, and there's the GoPro, and now I have to go find camera info. That's where I find my password. So my password here. Once that's correct, you go back into your camera, back to connect device, back to GoPro app, and now hit confirm. GoPro says connection successful. On the gimbal, this indicator, which is the connected to camera indicator, is now connected. The shutter button will take a picture, and the function button will change the functions on the camera. Time lapse, picture, video. I can press the and that is how you connect your Feiyu G6 Max to your GoPro.